feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my place. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel the vibe.
Another beautiful morning today. Blue skies and cotton clouds floating around. For today, let's see how do I simplify our breakfast. I primarily rely on just two simple things. One is simple breakfast menu and the second is meal prepping. We usually finish our breakfast routine in a total of about 45 minutes. 20 minutes for preparation and another 20 to 25 minutes for eating. Restarting online schooling and work from home can create bottlenecks in the morning workflow. This methodology helps me maintaining a morning routine that I'm able to manage without much rush or stress. Everyone loves to eat freshly cooked hot meals. But what about the preparation? I guess there are many who don't enjoy cooking much. Well, I'm one of them. Whether I like it or not, since it is my need to cook, the idea is to make it simpler and yet nutritious. Based on what we like to eat as a family, I prepare some of the helping ingredients in advance, and what do we like to eat, we will come to that in the second half of the video. Though my food habits have changed over the years, let's see some of the items that I have been prepping, especially for breakfast in recent times. Readily available roasted peanuts help me to make chutney quickly. It is a tasty and nutritious additive in various other meals as well. Same way I keep roasted suji for some delicious recipes. Keeping crushed jaggery is a part of my meal prep. I use it in many recipes. Here I would like to add a tip. If possible, keep your breakfast items segregated for the ease of access every day. Boiled potatoes are an important part of my meal prepping. Making sandwiches and parathas becomes so easy for me. And sometimes I go extra mile to prep the hash browns that makes our breakfast nothing but a treat at home. Our last video was about keeping the vegetables fresh for longer. Link is mentioned in the description box. Correct storage has two direct benefits. It keeps them fresh for longer, and secondly, they are readily available when you're actually cooking the meals. If I'm chopping vegetables, I always cut a little extra for the next few meals. Grated ginger is always part of my prepping to make my masala chai. Readily available helping ingredients add so much agility while cooking. Green chutney is one condiment which goes well with lot of breakfast recipes. So I always keep it handy. Earlier I used to buy ready-made tamarind paste, but one of the subscribers suggested why don't I make it at home, and then I started. Yes, it is easy to make and used in a variety of dishes. Dosa batter is one-man army of my meal prepping routine. I invest just a little time over the weekend to make batter at home, and then reap its benefit throughout the week. Batter helps me to make a variety of dishes rapidly, not just the breakfast, but any other time as well. It is easy to make and can stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Depending on the family size, storing the appropriate items like bread, eggs, and paneer can be very helpful to make quick breakfast. Sometimes I keep the paneer grated for faster preparations. If you like to use butter, keep a small portion of butter in a separate dish. In the morning, 30 minutes prior to breakfast, keep the dish out. Butter will come to the room temperature and spreading it on the toast will be easy. With these prepped and readily available items at my disposal, I deploy them to make my breakfast routine faster, stress-free and yet nutritious. These days I usually prep in the free gaps while cooking lunch and dinner. However, if I am tight on schedule, I do this on the weekend. Let's move to the second part of the video. I am going to talk about how simple choices in the breakfast menu helps me to simplify my breakfast routine further. Our breakfast usually consists of 7 items. Variety of dosas, idli, poha, upma, bread omelette, potato and paneer sandwiches or parathas, fireless breakfast. Once the batter is available, making a variety of dosas is so simple and rapid. You name it, plain dosa, masala dosa, paneer dosa, egg dosa, uttapam, they all have become part of our breakfast menu. My son's favorite is plain dosa with jaggery. Tweak it a little and you get lovely soft idlis. We have been doing about 3 days a week with South Indian breakfast and loving it. And when helping ingredients like roasted peanuts, garlic and chopped coconut are available, it is so easy to cook fresh chutneys. If I cook sambar for dinner, then I cook a little extra. And the next morning is a lavish full meal masala dosa with the help of boiled potatoes in no time. Readily available potato and paneer helps me to make sandwiches faster. They taste so yum with coriander chutney. Same ingredients help me with parathas as well. Poha is so easy to make. It tastes so yum with chunks of boiled potatoes. I load it further with cut tomatoes, roasted peanuts and save. Cup of masala tea on the side makes my day. Another nutritious breakfast that I rely on is upma. Again, it takes very little time and is super easy to make. Using cut vegetables from meal prep can turn it into masala upma. So colorful and yummy. Roasted suji helps me to fulfill my son's demand for midnight halwa as well. Eggs have always been simple to make since time immemorial. Short cooking time and easy to cook. Depending on the taste bud, one can try plenty of variants. I usually prefer sunny side up and masala omelette. I toast a few slices and we are good to go with my masala tea. And yes, the day I want to treat the family, hash browns from my meal prep also joins the breakfast party. There are also days when I rely on fireless cooking such as cornflakes with milk and chuda or flat rice with milk or curd. Adding jaggery further adds to the taste. Then there are some rare days when I try my hands on pav bhaji or chole bhature, but this is mostly a brunch menu. And since the prepping ensures the ready availability of ingredients, these recipes can also be cooked faster. So that was all on how I simplify my breakfast routine. Hope you liked it. Also do check out our meal prepping videos. Links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.